Hello guys, welcome to my first tutorial where I'll be showing you how to take a Vertex Painted object from Blender and put it into Unity. That means you do not need any textures exactly. We learn about it in this tutorial. First off, I'm going to first make a new Unity project. Let's go with 3D and I'll name it um, Hello. Just gonna put that into my tutorials Unity projects folder and hit create, and we'll let that happen for a while. Um, on the other side, I'll be using Blender 2.79, where I already have this pre-made cube, the starting cube, where I'll just go to the Vertex Paint, change the color, and just give it some few colors here and there. That should do it. And now I will control S this, and I'm gonna go into my Unity folders assets folder. I'm gonna copy the location and I'm gonna save my Blender file over there. Alright, I'm gonna save that over there, and I'm gonna close this file now. You don't need it anymore. Now you see over here, I have it inside my assets folder, and the name is called Blender. So now what you have to do is go and open a notepad file, and then go to these links either. So there's a vertex called the standard shader, and there's the diffuse one. I usually use the standard shader, so these links will be there in the description, so you can do it as I'm doing it. So basically you just go to this link over here, go down and copy this, and you paste it over here. It's basically a C++ program, and then you have to go to save as, and make sure you go into your Unity folder again, in the assets folder, change this to all files, and then just name it Vertex Colors Standard dot shader. Okay, and then make sure it's on all files, and then it's save, and then you can close this, and then open another notepad file if you want to use the diffuse vertex color one. Then you copy this whole thing, paste it here, again save as. We're in the same folder, change it to all file types, vertex colors diffuse dot shader. Save. Close this. Now we go into Unity and we let it basically import all these files. So we're going to find our Blender object and then our two shaders over here, and it's been recognized as a shader file now. Now we just have to drag this into Blender, into Unity's hierarchy, and then you see there's the standard material over there, but you can't basically edit it. It doesn't let you select your shaders. So what you have to do now is basically create a new material, just matte, I guess, and then you go into here, and you still can't put it here, obviously, so you just drag it onto your object, and then you go here, go to custom, and then select this, and then voila, you see our vertex colored um, colors are all here onto our object in Unity without actually doing anything much. So I hope you like this tutorial. I hope it's really useful for you guys. Thank you for watching.